disappearing lakes.
Alright class, it's time to start. Today's topic is disappearing lakes. First, we'll share some basic facts, and then we'll have a discussion. Have you ever wondered what happens when humans use too much water? When I say use water here, I mean irrigation. People change the routes of rivers to bring water to their farmland and cities, allowing them to live richer lives. That's irrigation. That is a good idea, but in the past, it wasn't clear how much water people were allowed to use. That's why lakes around the world are shrinking or even disappearing. I will let you know 3 of them. The first one is the Aral Sea in Central Asia. In the 1960s, people needed water to grow cotton. So, they took water from 2 rivers that normally filled the Aral Sea. By 2007, more than 90% of this huge lake was gone. It used to be the 4th largest lake in the world. Now it's broken into small pools. The dry lake bottom left salt and harmful chemicals that blow in the wind, making nearby communities sick. The second one is Owens Lake in California. Starting in 1913, water was taken from this lake to supply Los Angeles. By 1926, it had almost completely dried up. This water fight inspired a movie called Chinatown. The lake that once covered an area as big as 40,000 football fields turned into a salt flat. This created the largest dust problem in North America, causing breathing problems for people living nearby. The third one is Lake Chad in Africa. Lake Chad has gotten much smaller since the 1960s because of farming, changing weather, and the overuse of water for irrigation. It was once the 6th largest lake in Africa, but now it's just a small lake that gets bigger and smaller with the seasons. About 30 million people need this lake for water, and its shrinking has caused problems between communities and forced people to move away. What should people have done?
Discussion. What might have happened to the animals that lived in these lakes? If you were a politician, what rule would you think of? Are we taking good care of the lakes and rivers near our school?